Welcome to Villa 3 Little Birds by BaliSuperHost, your private Balinese sanctuary. Secure your escape now by scanning the QR code on your screen or reading the description below for booking details. Imagine waking in a beautifully appointed, 4-star villa, a haven designed for ultimate relaxation. Villa 3 Little Birds offers an intimate setting for discerning travelers, featuring just one meticulously crafted room, perfect for couples or solo adventurers. Every detail, from the stylish decor to the modern amenities, has been carefully considered to create an atmosphere of both indulgence and homely comfort. Picture yourself lounging by the inviting outdoor pool, the centerpiece of our athletic escape. Surrounded by lush tropical gardens, this area provides a serene setting for refreshing swims and rejuvenating poolside workouts. This villa is an idyllic base for exploring the vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes of Bali, ensuring an unforgettable getaway. Please note, Villa 3 Little Birds operates a child policy, where additional fees may apply. Ready to experience unparalleled tranquility? Simply scan the QR code to book your stay at Villa 3 Little Birds by BaliSuperHost.